Hello students, hope you are doing good. Hope you have started off your preparations and covered multiple of chapters and papers right in your preparations, right? Yeah. So in the same sequence for RMS papers specifically, we have covered Scenic School papers of PYQ whole series for class 6 and class 9, correct? Number of papers have been done in both of the series, approximately 8 to 10 papers, correct? We have discussed, I have described multiple of methods, different type of questions, solving techniques, right? Instructions, timetable, instruction as well, correct? Number of things, and what are important parts to learn and how to learn and how to revise. I have shared number of things, correct? Hope it helped you. And post then we will be covering specific RMS school, PYQ papers. So we have started this series as well. We have done one paper of 2015 in the same sequence. 2016 paper is here in this video we will record. In fact, we will share with you, right? So again, if we check the instruction, as RMS paper is very near, right, so close to you, so you need to only stick on one thing, on your timetable, correct? If you do all of the things with the timetable, things would be in control. You can prepare, you can revise, you will not get confused and disturbed. Everything would get prepared maximum, right? Okay, and your paper would be good, correct? So without wasting any further time, we will start this series with PYQ solutions of RMS paper 2016 paper, correct? Okay, let's do for class 6, correct? Okay, right. Okay. So first question would be, choose the correct spelling. Got it? Now check the same thing which I have shared multiple times. The spelling kind of questions, right? Those questions in which you need not to do anything. No learning, low concept, no logic, no reasoning, no understanding, no practice, no solving technique, no trick, no tips, nothing. Only one thing, that you need to know the spelling of the words. Simple. And for that, can do one thing only, that you need to only learn them out. Simple. Just learn, revise, learn, revise, learn, revise, and use. Correct? That. So this is the thing in such kind of questions you need to do, right? Now suppose, and you have checked that I have said, and in earlier scenic papers there were sometimes one or two questions were there, right? But in RMS papers, so sorry, in last paper as well, sorry, there were 5 questions on this basis, spelling correction. Again, five marks, do you know the importance of 5 marks? 5 marks just can make it out a selection of yours or not, right? 5 marks are much, right? Okay, so why to waste your marking over there? Just learn them out, simple words, and these are the simple words. But again, many times I have said there are regular words and irregular words. Regular words would be which you use commonly, regularly, generally, but you don't know the spellings, like descent, right? Committee, descendant, campaign, nursery, obviously accelerate. These are common words, but many of the students would not be knowing, right? The spellings of that, or would get confused maybe, right? This is how. So you need to just note those down, the words, and learn them out time to time. Okay, this. Now accelerate. First question. Suppose if we check, okay, let's check first question in the same series. Accelerate, we understand. This is accelerate. Accelerate, 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 accelerate. Okay, then tell me out which accelerate is the right one. A C double E, right? A C E, A C A double C, A double C E double L, right? Tell me out. Because thing is this, the spelling would make it out a pronunciation for you, right? If you don't know the right spelling, you will not be able to, pronounce that out, right? Okay, right. So thing is this, you need to check it out the right spelling first, then pronunciation would also come up with the same. Accelerate, double e matlab means XC, right? XC, that is wrong. Accelerate, that means double, not double L or not double C, right? This is a C1 A double C E, XC, XC, it is XC. That means it is putting up some of the emphasize, on on C. So double C is required in this एक double C, but double L, double L no, no, wrong, right? It is wrong. So the correct one would be C1. Okay. Only one method is there for such kind of questions is that you need to learn them out, right? You need to learn them out only, right? And understand the spelling, that where double C or something is there, right? Second question, campaign, 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 and campaign, right? Thing is this, campaign, obviously it would not start with X, okay? It can be wrong, right? Campaign, 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 again check. C and B and D, check it out. K C A double M C A M C double A M, right? So tell me out that which would be the correct one, because camping comes out with camp. So camp means CAMP, right? Aing. So AIGN, this is aing, right? So in this double M is there, in this double A is there. That's why it is kind of wrong spellings, and the correct one would be the D one, because it has been a derived word with base word of camp, correct? Camping. That means camping karna. Camping means camping means आपको एक kind of event in which you would be sharing, your your parts over there, right? Your services, your supports, right? Like NGOs do campaigns, right? Protest, some raise some voice against any wrong thing, right? Right, these are the things, right? Then fourth one, no, third, sorry, nursery, 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 nursery. It is called as nursery, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So the thing is this, nursery, 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 and nursery. Thing is this, that obviously we know C don't come up in nursery spelling. Okay, so this is wrong. Wrong. C wrong. Only S1 would be correct. S, okay, but it is NE, so this why it is wrong. Third, B1 is the right one, so I'll just clean and then I will mark the right one. It is B. It is B. Okay, yeah, it is B. Fourth one is committee. Committee means a group of people, a panel of people which do discuss the issues, meetings, take meetings and decide something on the same, correct? Yeah. So committee spelling. student get confused in this. Committee. In committee, this the syllable stroke is on double M and double T, right? That means M and T. That's why it is double M and double T. But over here as well, double M and double T, right? But double T with double E. So A1 is the correct one. Committee, committee, right? This is how the pronunciation would be there. Then comes up C, not fifth question. Descendant, descendant, dissident, dissident. Right? Which one would be the correct one? In this, A1 would be the correct one because this is descendant. Descendant. Okay? Descendant. Descendant. Okay? Fifth. Correct? Got it? Okay, fine. Then comes next questions. Fine, now, got it? You need to also write these simple words, regular words, and learn them time to time. Then only you would be able to, you know, uh, revise them out or remember them out, right? Hmm. Yeah, dear. Then, yeah, dear sir, this is the second question. Second question comes up with one of obviously the passage comprehension, correct? Okay, this. Dear sir, how it is? It is kind of a one letter or application, correct or not? Right? Not the story, not the poem, right? So now check it out. It's a kind of a new thing, right? But check it out how it would be, right? Okay. Dear sir, I feel I ought to write about Tom's essay work last night of all the subjects. You have said this seemed the most unwise yet. Describe your family. Tom wrote it so well. I just had to, yeah, I just had to, yeah, Tom wrote it so well. I just had to stop it being handed in, so did in my bag. What it is? Dear sir, I feel I ought to write about Tom's essay work last night, right? Of all the subjects, you have said this seems the most unwise yet. How did some of the parents have are writing one probably feedback letter, right, to their teachers, right? Okay, of one student or the which is their son or daughter, right? Right, this is how I guess son, right? Tom's, right? Yeah, that's how. So they are just putting up their feedback that how it is going, how he is studying, how it is learning. Okay. Yeah, so they are writing like, describe your family. Tom wrote it so well, I just had to stop it being handed in. So did my wife. The details of our family life are not such kind, alas, that I should want them read in class. We did not wish the high school staff to read them for a lunch hour laugh. We tore it out. We tore it out. I realize you may think what we did unwise, but give it your consideration and please accept my explanation. I trust you will not blame my son, for after all the work was done. Yours truly, Harold Honey Bun. Right? Okay. How it is? One father is writing a paper, letter or letter, not application, obviously, to the teacher, right? With the feedback of his son's performance. So what it is? Let's check it out. The letter is written by a father too. His employer, his friend, his son's teacher, his son. Obviously, his son's teacher. I have said now. The son was given the task of writing an essay. The son has been given a task of writing an essay. Okay? So writing an essay, not math sum, not composing a poem, not writing a letter. Write this. The father stopped his son from submitting the task because it was badly written. No, it contained too many details. No, it was too funny to be read in the class. No, it was not a good task. Okay, let me check. Let's check it out a little bit. Um, I feel I ought to write about Tom's essay work last night. Of all, yeah, being handed in Tom, right? And I just had to being handed in. So did my wife. None shall laugh. Okay, ठीक है. This is this one. Somehow lunch our life laugh was given. Na? That's how it is funny. Funny. This. Okay. Then comes up next question. The father thought that submitting the task would call. The school staff to laugh, the headmaster to scold his son, the teachers to get angry, his son to cry. No, the school staff to laugh, right? This. Yeah, correct. Okay, yeah. So the school staff to laugh, this was the right one, right? The father thought that his son should be pardoned because he was small, he completed the task given. It was he who stopped him from completing him. It was his wife who tore out the page. No, it was he stopped him from completing it. Okay. Okay. Then next questions, dear. Give one word for the following sentence. Such kind of words, one word substitution. Let's check it out. The native person, the native person, a person living permanently at a certain place is known as. Tell me. Domicile, resident या native? Resident, right? One who goes on a journey to a holy place, pilgrim. Okay. A person who believes, right, that there is no God, atheist, right? Atheist. Yeah. Expression of sympathy, especially on the occasion of death of a person. Condolence, right? Policy of forcefully extending a nation's authority by territorial gains. Imperialism, chauvinism, plagiarism, nationalism. So sorry. Policy of forcefully extending a nation's authority by territorial gains. Tell me, right? This is A. Imperialism means policy of a forcefully extending a nation's authority by territorial gains. किसी नेशन की अथॉरिटी को टेरिटोरियल गेन्स, टेरिटोरियल मतलब कोई ना कोई भी प्लेस है और उस एरिया में आपको मिनरल्स और समथिंग समथिंग मिलते हैं, राइट? उस एरिया के गेन्स और सम काइंड ऑफ अदर बेनिफिट्स लाइक वहाँ आप अपना हेलीपैड और या फिर आर्मी बेस और समथिंग बना सकते हैं, राइट? दिस इज हाउ, राइट? तो फॉर दैट अगर आप एक्सटेंड करते हो टू गेन दोज बेनिफिट्स, सो दैट इज imperialism. ओके, गॉट इट? ठीक, फाइन. I think next question. These are the fill in the blanks dear, okay? See, I have checked these questions are easy in RMS, but somewhat of level, right? And second, these are interesting questions. I mean, these are some kind of good level of English questions, right? You can say. I mean, you need to not only learn but apply your mind, right? This is how it is good, right? Okay. Then comes up. I think I dash a new calculator. 16th. I think I think I dash a new calculator. Needs, needed, need, am, needing, right? So I am होगा ना, I am needing it or I need, बताओ. I need or I am needing. So it would be C. Sorry, right? Sorry, C. C. It dash many times every winter in Shimla. It dash many times in winter in Shimla. It snows. Yeah, it snowing is snow. It snowed many times every winter in Shimla. It is snowed or it snows. It snows many times ना. Every winter मतलब एक habit, एक आदत, एक routine के बारे में बात हो रही है. It would be not in past. It should be in present indefinite. That's why it should be present indefinite verb would be there, snows. Okay. The student is dash papers. Writing, writes, write is wrote, the student is है तो writing आएगा, obviously is writing papers, right? The student is writing papers, right? Yes, write this. I have been waiting for, I have been waiting है, that means present perfect continuous, right? have लगा हुआ है, present हो गया, been लगा है, waiting लगा है, perfect continuous हो गया, for a long time, for the long time, for an long time, right? for a long time, right? या and तो नहीं आएगा, right? It dash have been a nice outing if he was not there. It may, could, will, should, right? Be. It could have been a nice outing if he was not there. Correct? Yeah. Sanjay and Sanjana's father dash a businessman. Sanjay and Sanjana's father are, have, is, has. Are na? Are a businessman, right? Or is? Tell me. Are or is? Are or is? 21. It would be are or is. Tell me. That's what I'm checking. Sanjay and Sanjana's conjunctions are there, right? Sanjay and Sanjana's father is a businessman. Sanjay and Sanjana's father are a businessman. A लगा है ना, that's why are a businessman नहीं हो सकता, are businessman हो सकता था, but a लगा है, that's why you need to put up a. I mean sorry, is obviously singular हो गया ना. Write this. Mr. and Mrs. Yeah. Mr. Verma's and Mrs. Sharma's house is or has dash in the same building. Is in the same building, are in the same building, houses है, houses है, that's why it should be are, right? Second. Yeah, obviously. See, check it out. क्या डिफरेंस है दोनों में? दोनों में दो दो हैं. एंड के साथ कंजंक्शंस में एडेड है दो पार्ट्स, दो दो नाउन्स, करेक्ट. बट ओवर हियर इट इज शोन ए के बेसिस पे तो आपका सिंगुलर ही आएगा ना, राइट? और दिस इज हाउसेस प्लूरल, प्लूरल के लिए तो आर आएगा. सो यू नीड टू चेक, नॉट टू हरी इन सच काइंड ऑफ सेंटेंसेस, ठीक है? सो दैट ये आपके करेक्ट हो, राइट? देन डियर, as you saw, सो मतलब होता है बोना, ओके? दिस का as you sow dash you reap. As you sow, so shall you reap, so will you reap, so would, so must, will. It would be will, correct? Okay. 23, 23rd A, shall. It would be will or shall? It would be shall, right? Why? Because will आता है you के साथ, but shall का मतलब I have told, shall तब use होता है you के साथ. Normally in future tense I and we के साथ shall यूज होता है एंड रेस्ट ऑफ के साथ will यूज होता है, राइट? नाउन्स एंड प्रोनाउंस के साथ, करेक्ट? बट व्हेन इट इज ए कंफर्मेशन और यू कैन से श्योरिटी, श्योरिटी, राइट? देन हमारा ये अपोजिट हो जाता है, इसमें श्योरिटी हो जाती है. श्योरिटी होने पे क्या होता है? यू के साथ भी आपका शैल आएगा, करेक्ट? दिस देयर इज ए There is a milk in the cup than in the other. There is a milk in the cup than in the others. There is fever, not fever, obviously, it would be wrong. Less, little. So it is wrong, है ना? There is few milk, no. There is less milk, no. There is little milk, yes. 24th, it would be C, the less. There is less milk in the cup than in the others, right? This. A dash of the singers was signing in the congregations. That means A of singers was signing in the congregations. A troop, again, a chair, a pause. A troop, singers है ना, singers those, okay, yeah, singers particular, that's why it's a chore. Otherwise अगर यहाँ पे होता performers, so it can be, or the passengers, so it can be a troop, correct? This. Okay. Simple. Identify the sentences types, right? Identify the sentences types. Please help me, please. It is written please. Assertive, no. Interrogative, no. Exclamatory, no. Negative, okay, okay. So, how it is? Exclamatory, no. Interrogative, no. Assertive and negative. Negative, it is not. If it is shown like please, then it would be assertive. If the option is not given, otherwise, it would be you know. Please ka means ho gaya request. Request comes up in imperative. But over here, imperative option is not given. Correct? That's why assertive, correct? Okay, this. So sorry. Okay. Then comes up dear 27. Hooray. We have won the match. Correct? We have won the match. Affirmative, sorry, exclamatory, interrogative and negative. Hooray, hooray, but obvious hooray with the exclamation sign, it would be, right? Exclamatory sentence, right? This. How is your mother? Negative, affirmative, interrogative, exclamative. Negative, affirmative, interrogative, exclamative. How? Interrogative, but obvious question mark. He is not a good student. Affirmative, exclamative, interrogative, right? Negative. Affirmative, exclamative, interrogative, and negative. Negative, right? Not. Not. Does he not sing a song? Does, interrogative, right? Question mark. Correct? Okay. Fine. Then comes up more in what? Mark the opposite words of the following. Yeah, vocabulary, the antonyms, right? Check. In all places, and all at all times, there is profusion of talents. Profusion. Profusion means is one thing, but this is antonym. Antonym, right? Antonym means opposite. So profusion means kami or plenty iska opposite ho gaya. Scarcity is the profusion meaning, right? In all places and all at all the time, all time, there is a profusion of talent. So plenty, plenty. The actor is well known both for his humility and courage, gentleness, honesty, determination, and pride. Tell me. Opposite बताना है. Pride, हाँ, घमंड, obviously. They are saying humility. They are saying pride, घमंड. Just opposite antonym. Okay, this is wrong, right? This, yeah. Ashish has an innate sense of humor. Natural, inborn, unusual, acquired. Natural, inborn, unusual, and acquired. Ashish has an innate sense of humor. Sorry, innate means होता है बहुत ज्यादा. Hmm? Yeah, Ashish has innate sense of humor. 33 would be इनबॉर्न. इनेट होता है जो आपका बनाया गया होता है, कोई टैलेंट. एंड इनबॉर्न इज गॉड गिफ्टेड, राइट. दिस इज अ देन Rajesh used rustic behavior, astonished the teacher. Impolite, genuine, sophisticated, and awkward. Right? We need to put up the antonym. Right? Antonym, sophisticated. Sophisticated is the antonym, right? Just opposite. That means not so sophisticated, right? This. Always be impartial, right, in your dealings. Discourteous, impudent, disrespectful, respectful, and unfair, right? Always be impartial in your dealings. Discourteous, impudent, disrespectful, and unfair. That means unfair. Impartial, always be impartial in your dealing. Impartial means fair. And fair, the opposite of fair is unfair, right? Okay? Yes. Then comes up more questions, and these are very small questions you have checked. Okay, one more passage. Okay, kind of check it out what it is. Complete the following passage by choosing the correct option from those given in the bracket. This is a one passage, but in a different manner. Check. That's good. Interesting, right? This is. Do you have a right best friend? Surely I have. Her name is Sangeet. 36 was my schoolmate. Okay, साथ साथ में questions भी करते हैं, right? So they are asking 36. What should be there? Here, she, it's, and there. Do you have a best friend? Surely I have. Her name is Sangeet. Sangeet. She was my schoolmate. She, obviously not here, not it's, not there, right? She. Okay, fine. So she would be the right answer for this. Then schoolmate. She was 37, first girl of our class. 37. She was a first girl. She was an first girl. She was the first girl. So it should be the, right, or a. Tell me out, right? It should be the or a. The, right, obviously. She was the first girl. First girl means monitor, right now. This one. If I were to 38, if I were to how she looks, if I were to is tell, no. If I were to tell, yeah. If I were to told, if I were to telling, no. I were to tell, right? 38 would be A. No, C. B. Not C. B. It would be tell, right? That tell how she looks. 39 would say she is pretty. 39th is V, right? 39 is we would say, right? We would say she is pretty, witty, and full of life. Since our interest lies in the same hobbies, we spend a lot of time together. 40 is a very good dancer too. 40 means I, you, Romy, and Sangit. So Sangit is a very good dancer too. She won many prizes when we were in the school, correct? Okay, so this is how this comes up with the solutions of these questions as well. In this one, it was she. In this one, it was the, right? In this one, it was tell. In this one, it was we. In this one, it was sang it. Correct or not? Check it out once, right? Check it out and match with your passage, right? Check and match with your passage. 36 should be B. 37 should be C. 38 should be B. 39th should be, या स्टडी नाइन्थ में वी नहीं आएगा, वी भी आ सकता था बट क्योंकि सिंगल पर्सन नैरेटिव है दैट मीन फर्स्ट पर्सन तो आई आ जाएगा, राइट? सो इट शुड बी बी. 40 इज डी. करेक्ट और नॉट? चेक इट आउट अगेन कि ये आंसर्स इस मेथड में लगाए हुए. यहाँ पे आ जाएगा शी, इसमें आ जाएगा द, इसमें आएगा टेल, इसमें आएगा आई एंड इसमें आएगा sang it. Correct or not? Correct. With the help of those words, right words, we need to complete the sentences in the right meaningful manner, grammatically as well. Correct? Okay. Yes. Yeah. Next, 41. Rearrange the following in a sequence form of the meaningful sentence. You know that how to do. Let's do it out. Taken to the hospital were the injured. Okay. To the hospital were injured to taken, no? The injured taken